Hi, this is Vaughn for Tasty Fairy 101, and today we're going to bake chocolate chip cookies. Not just any chocolate chip cookies, but fantastic chocolate chip cookies. First thing we need is our butter. Our butter needs to be room temperature. If it's not room temperature, these aren't going to be fantastic chocolate chip cookies. So please get your butter at room temperature. Now, first thing we're going to do is add some sugar. And then we'll add our brown sugar and we'll just start mixing that up. And this process is known as creaming. So what does creaming mean? Well, it just means that it's going to be creamy. You need it creamy for this to work for chocolate chip cookies. Fantastic chocolate chip cookies. So get this all mixed in. It'll take you a minute. Next, what we'll do is we'll add 1 egg, and it's at room temperature. Again, that room temperature is very important for this process. So we'll add that in there and bang that around, and some vanilla extract. So we can set this aside for now, and let's get a fresh bowl right here, and we'll sift our flour. This is all-purpose flour that we're using today, so we'll get that started right in there. All right, now the secret to fantastic chocolate chip cookies is this guy right here, cornstarch. I think it's about a tablespoonful, and we're going to add that in there. This is going to make our outside crispy and our inside soft. It's going to be beautiful. It's beautiful. And then we'll add baking soda. Baking soda is really good for this, and of course a little salt. So we'll get that sifted in there. And we'll mix that up. Give it a good mix. Set that aside, bring our bowl back to here, and let's go ahead and mix that up a little bit. Don't have to put too much in at once. Put a little in and mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. That's what baking's all about, I guess. Mixing things up. Putting it in the oven, heating it up, baking it, and then enjoying it. Okay, now that I have everything mixed, let's add our chocolate chips. I'm putting in, this is 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. You can add a little bit more to taste. It's okay, don't worry, it's be fine. So with 1.5 cups, we make sure that we have chocolate chip in every bite. Okay, now that we have everything mixed, let's go ahead and bring out our cookie sheet. Put this off to the side. What I'm using is parchment paper. It works the best for this. So anyway, I'm gonna grab my spoons. Best way to do this is just grab yourself about 2 tablespoons here. Put that in your hands. Oh, should have taken off my wedding ring. Hold on. Here we go. We'll just put that right there, and we'll make nice little balls with this. All right then, all my cookie dough is on the cookie sheet and it's ready to go into the refrigerator. Yes, I said refrigerator, not the oven. The refrigerator for 1 hour. we put it in there to bring all the ingredients together. So we're gonna have crispy cookies on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside after we've baked them. Okay, it's been an hour now. So what I'm going to do is take these guys and put them about 2 inches apart. You don't want them too close or they will kind of melt together. And we don't want one big chocolate chip cookie. There we go. And let's just do that. How's that look? Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna put these in the oven. 325, 15 to 18 minutes. You're gonna have to use your baker's intuition here and keep an eye on these things. So let's get these bad boys started. Fresh out of the oven, I like to let them sit and cool off for a few minutes before I enjoy them. And here is the fruit of our labor. So pour yourself a tall glass of milk and enjoy your cookie. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Chocolatey goodness on the inside. That is so good. That's awesome. I was going to share these, but I don't think so. I might have to keep these to myself. So good. See ya.